In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow notifications from a specific website in Google Chrome. Whether you want to keep up to date with your favorite blog or receive alerts from a critical work platform, managing website notifications can enhance your browsing experience significantly. Let's dive right in to guide you through the process. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once open, you'll notice a three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the browser. Go ahead and click on this menu. This is your gateway to Chrome's settings and features, providing you with myriad customization options. From this drop-down menu, navigate to the option labeled Settings. Doing so will open a new tab that features a variety of adjustable options for your Chrome browser. Within the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side where you will find a list, and click on Privacy and Security. This section is central to managing your security preferences and personalizing how different websites interact with your browser. Under Privacy and Security, you'll want to choose Site Settings. These settings allow you to control specific permissions for each website you visit, ranging from location access to camera permissions. As you scroll through Site Settings, eventually you'll find an option labeled Notifications. Click on it. When dealing with notifications, it's essential to ensure that Chrome is set up to allow websites to request permission to send notifications. Make sure that the toggle labeled Sites Can Ask to Send Notifications is switched on. This allows you to decide site by site which can alert you via notifications. To proceed, scroll down a bit further until you reach a section named Allowed to Send Notifications. This is where you designate specific sites that are permitted to push notifications to your desktop. Click on the button labeled Add. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the URL of the website from which you want to receive notifications. This could be any site, for example, http://www.youtube.com, or any other website you frequently visit and wish to get notifications from. Be precise with the URL to ensure that you only grant permission to the intended site. After typing the URL, click Add. This finalizes your preference and allows the specified site to send you notifications. You'll now receive notifications from that particular site whenever updates or messages are pushed out, all without having to check back manually. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you need to make adjustments or revoke permissions at a later time. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to enabling notifications for your favorite websites in Google Chrome. This feature ensures you remain informed and updated on the sites that matter most to you. Happy browsing!